Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix screen flickering on ACER Chromebook Spin 713. To do that, first of all, try adjusting the brightness on your device, because sometimes on lower brightness levels, the flickering is more noticeable since it is easier for the eye to spot the refresh rate of the PC. And if it doesn't help you, or if it's not the reason, then you can go to the control center in the bottom right corner of the screen, select your battery icon right here, and make sure that the battery saver is disabled. Or if it's not, then try disabling it, and maybe this will resolve the screen flickering issue. If this doesn't help you, you can go to System Preferences, and then scroll down to Safety Reset. Then click Safety Reset once again, and this might resolve your screen flickering issue. However, if it doesn't, you can perform a power wash, or in other words, factory reset operation on your device. In order to do that, we're gonna have to open first of all, open the files folder and back up all the files from our local storage to Google Drive, and after that, go back to Settings, go to System Preferences, and scroll down to Power Wash. Select Reset option next to Power Wash, select Restart to reboot your device after that. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.